So when you get to the dashboard login screen, this is the first page you'll see when you open the product. You'll enter your officer email and password to log in. If you ever forget your password, there's a link right below the login button that lets you reset it easily. Once you log in, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard where you can access all your modules. The home screen is your central command center for the lodge. When you log in, you'll see a clean layout with all your key modules, like profiles, agendas, and member tools, right at your fingertips. Each section is clearly labeled, so you can jump straight to the tasks you need, whether it's managing dues, setting up meetings, or reviewing member records. The lodge profile setup is absolutely essential. This is where your lodge branding takes shape. Enter your lodge name, address, website, and bylaws, which will save to Drive. You set your dues, list officers like secretary and treasurer, and upload your logo. It's vital to keep this updated so your entire lodge profile is branded and ready for every interaction. The meeting agenda module is designed to make organising your lodge's meetings simple and professional. It pulls in your lodge's branding from your profile, so you just select the date, confirm your officer roll call, and add your minutes. At the bottom, you have options to email, save, print, or download, and you can even pull up previous month's minutes, keeping everything organised and consistent. Once you open it, you'll see a simple, organised checklist where you can add tasks, set deadlines, and mark off items as you complete them. It keeps you and your team focused and on schedule, so nothing falls through the cracks. Member Profiles is the central place where member information is managed. Only the secretary or treasurer can upload and update member photos. From here, you can mark members as active or inactive, add new members, and see a profile card with their dues. On the right, you select a month, and it shows the total dues and assessments for the whole lodge that month. You can also enter payments right from that profile card. So the Member Communications tab is where we use Google Groups to manage all our member emails. Once you store the member info there, you can select this tab and send out group emails, reaching every member at once without any hassle. Help and frequently asked questions is where members go to get quick answers. Inside, you have a search module so they can look up common topics. Each question is organised by category, and it helps them navigate exactly where they need to go, so they find the help fast. Treasurer Records is a key area where you manage all financial tracking. It provides a streamlined interface for approving and seconding reports, and it records every payment, expense, and balance. You also get an expense chart and a deposit chart for the current month. Alongside this, there's a checkbook register, and all entries flow from into the end-of-year report. This starting balance sets the record for the year, and you have tools to sync all sheets. At the end of each month, it emails a summary to members, and at year-end, it sends a full report, completing your financial cycle. The Write Checks module is a robust tool that lets you print your own checks. You can print them individually, reprint if needed, and use the batch manager to handle multiple checks at once. Plus, it has an alignment tool so you can lock your settings, ensuring every check prints exactly where you need it. All of this is tracked in the check log, giving you a complete record of every check you've written.